Little magic arts. Let's start by drawing the dump truck. First, we sketch the main body, a rectangle for the cabin and a larger tilted rectangle for the dumper. Then, we add the wheels with small hearts inside to make them extra cute. Now, let's fill the dumper with love. We draw several hearts inside and some falling out, giving the effect of the truck dumping love everywhere. Coloring the drawing. Time to bring our drawing to life. We'll color the truck in a bright, cheerful shade, like yellow or blue. The wheels get a bold black outline, and the hearts are filled with red, pink, and other vibrant colors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing art content. See you in the next video.